Hello guys, welcome back to our Playwright course. In our previous video we took a look at how AI can help us to write, improve and fix automation tests with the help of Visual Studio Code Editor, plus Copilot, plus MCP Server. And today we will take a look at how AI can help in automation with the help of Cursor IDE, plus our Playwright MCP Server. So let's start. What did we do in our previous lectures? We installed VS Code, we installed Node.js, and we installed Playwright. So today we won't use Visual Studio Code, we will use Cursor IDE instead. We will install Cursor IDE, a code editor which is best for coding with AI. We will install Playwright MCP Server into our Cursor IDE. We already know that it is a Model Context Protocol MCP server that provides browser automation capabilities using Playwright. And of course, we will ask AI to write, debug, fix and transform automation tests. Let's go. So, in order to install Cursor IDE, we should open Cursor IDE official website. Here you can see that it is an AI code editor and that it is the best way to code with AI. So we click download for Windows and install the Cursor IDE. Okay, we open our IDE and it looks like this. So we open our project here and it looks like this. Okay, let's go back to our presentation and see what should we do next, Okay, next we should install Playwright MCP Server. Okay, we already know how to do this. Let's open the official website and here we should click not VS Code but Cursor. So let's open. Let's click Add to Cursor. Let's click here Open Cursor. And you see that here we must click Install. So click Install. And everything is okay here, so 21 tools enabled right now. So our MCP Playwright server is enabled, you can see here. How to find this? If we close here, we should click here Settings, we should click here MCP, and here Playwright. And if we click Edit here, we have all the data here, like we should have from our original doc, from our official doc, yeah, this information. Okay, that's all guys. Let's close everything. So we installed our Cursor IDE and we installed our Playwright MCP server into it. Let's go back again to our presentation. Let's close this, and to our presentation. Okay, we have three scenarios here. The first scenario, let's ask AI to open demo Playwright dev website, create parameterized test, and let it run it via npx playwright command and fix the test if needed. So Playwright provides this demo Playwright test for us. If we open it, we can see small site here, we can add to-dos here, we can make it active, we can make it completed, we can delete it, and so on and so forth. So small site for testing. So let's copy this scenario, open our IDE. In order to open our agent, we should click this button, Toggle AI Panel. And let's paste our scenario here and click Enter. So AI planning the next steps. You can see that I'll scan the existing test to see current structure, then add a new parameterized test and run it locally. After that, I'll open the current test files to mirror conventions, then add new parameterized spec targeting the to-do demo test. After that, I'll run the test suite and fix any issues. And it also writes, I'll add a new parameterized spec that opens the hash URL and adds individual to-dos for each value, then run the test suite. Okay, so we can find here a new test. We click here Keep All, and this is our test, which is written by AI. So let's let it run. Run again. Okay, it says that 3 tests passed. Okay, let's verify one more time and let's run this test by ourselves. Running 3 tests using 3 workers. Okay, and everything is okay here, 3 passed. Okay, let's continue and let's proceed to the second scenario. Here the situation is the same, but we just ask our AI to write 10 automation tests. Not one complex, but 10 simple tests. Let's have a try. Let's copy. Let's paste the scenario here and let's press enter button. Our agent is planning next moves. It created 3 to-dos. Create new tests, run these tests and fix them if they fail. So it creates a new spec file with 10 tests. Okay, let's close this, let's open new one. And here we have our 10 tests. Let's click keep all and let's run them. Click run. Okay, so it combined 3 plus 10 and 13 tests passed. Let's read a bit what it wrote for us. Adds a single to-do, adds multiple to-dos, marks to-do complete, unmarks a complete to-do, and so on and so forth. So as you have already understood, guys, very powerful combination. Cursor IDE and Playwright MCP Server. So AI can do everything here for us, and for example we can even ask it to transform our test into Python, for example. Let's write. Let's transform our tests into Python language. Let's wait a bit. So we have 5 to-dos, create Python equivalents of 10 tests, add requirements.txt file, install Python, run PyTest for Python, and fix any Python test failures and rerun. We won't run tests in Python, of course, because our project right now is about Playwright and about Typescript language. But you can see that the folder test.py is appeared here. We can open it. We can open test file. We can click keep all here. And we can see that everything is written in Python language right now. Can you imagine, guys, this magic? So def means function in Python, so everything is the same here, and all our tests are right now in Python. So today we have spoken about Cursor IDE and MCP Server, about one more AI combination which helps us to code everything and not only automation tests. In short, that's all, guys, about this. Thanks for watching and see you in next videos.